My name is Mark Dvorski. I'm with Graceland Fruit. We are a dried and juice concentrate processing facility in northern Michigan. Deacom has really helped us manage our traceability of our products because we have so many different processes that go into our fruit. Deacom has made that tracking portion of it a lot easier because of how it's set up. It's very easy to run a report forward and backwards. With their old system, it was really difficult to track down to the individual tote. That was one of the key things that I was very impressed with, was the ability to forward and reverse lot track. And the nice thing about it is I can be anywhere within the facility, hop onto a computer and get all the information that I need. With being web-based. With the other system, I had to be logged onto a specific computer to access my information that I needed. So to me, that's huge.